come with me to my first open house. First off, outfit check. This house is located in the Heights. It is a 3-bedroom, 3 full bath. It used to be a double, but now it was converted over to a single, and I love it. You're gonna see the video where you can actually have your own separate entrance. So if you wanted to turn it into the principal bedroom, if you wanted to rent that bedroom out, if you wanted to have it as an office, you get to see that it has its own entrance for you to be able to come and go as you please. But I was so excited for this to be my first open house. It was quaint, it was in a beautiful neighborhood, and I loved it. So go ahead and check this video out because this is my first open house and I was so happy and excited about it. I hope you love it just as much as I did. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see me do more open houses, please let me know in the comments and I'll provide the content.